Today I'm going to do a review on the Hughes Power Watchdog Surge Protector. This one that I have is a 50 amp. I've had numerous surge protectors, and beyond a doubt, this Watchdog is the best I've ever owned. What I like about it is I have a app on my phone that monitors everything that this surge protector is monitoring, so I can pull the app up, look at it, and go from there. So anyway, let's look at some of the aspects of this great surge protector. When we look at some of the aspects here, replaceable surge unit, what that means is that if this thing blows, you can order the replacement interchangeable board from Amazon for $30 and the whole unit isn't fried. Also, you can look at it's got a emergency power shutoff, so if something happens at the pole, it'll detect it and just shut all the power off immediately. Its Bluetooth connectivity also has a lifetime warranty. Of course, it wouldn't be if you had a surge and you blew the board, but it protects for like 61 joules, quite a bit. When you look at the Watchdog, if it's not plugged in, this is what the face of the Watchdog looks like. And it's just, once you plug it in, if everything it does its checking, and if everything is fine, it then lights up the Watchdog face. If it isn't, the Watchdog face will be red. This is the app for the Watchdog that you can download from the App Store. And here's what it looks like on your app, reading out the information from what's going on at your surge protector. So it's pretty neat, and you can sit there. I don't have my RV hooked up to it, but you'll see everything change. So overall, I think this is a great surge protector. It works great, and I am not getting any endorsements, but if you like this, please like and subscribe. Have a great day.